What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so this is another half up, half down hairstyle, and this is our Instagram inspo, the picture that I just shown. And I love when my clients bring an inspo pic because it gives me, vision as to, the direction that we're going in. So I love when people give me an inspo pic because it just helps, with the overall vision. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my client, Kayla. I love her dearly. She comes all the time. And yeah, we're just going to start with my basic braid down in the back. So she's doing like 2 bangs in the front with a bun situation instead of like a regular ponytail for the half up portion. So, we're going to start this video off like we do pretty much all the other videos. We're going to do this braid down in the back. We're going to go ahead and put the cap on. We're going to use our quick weave solution, set her up under the dryer, let that dry. Then we're going to start laying these tracks in the back. Then you're going to proceed to mold the front, and in this case, we did bangs with a little bit of extra leave out in the front just to give her a more cohesive look. We did do a 3D part just like the Instagram inspo, and yeah, this was cute. Like, this was a cute hairstyle. She only needed it for about a week before she was coming back to get another style, but for the week, it did what it needed to do. So if you like this hairstyle, make sure you drop in the comment and let me know that you liked it, okay? And if you want to see something else, if you want to see another style that's done at the Pretty Lounge, go ahead and drop in the comment section what styles you would like to see. We do drop videos on this channel every Sunday at noon. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to do a better job of including the entire process so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Just a sped up version of the entire process so you can see. Sometimes I be cutting here and cutting there, but I've realized, it's very beneficial to you all if I include, the whole video. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday at noon. You know what I mean? It's a video that drops every Sunday at noon. We are dropping tea over here on the hairstyles, okay? And then, of course, if you want to try something like this at home, you can do it. A lot of these videos are do-it-yourself type videos. I'm just doing it on other people, and there is some videos that I have done on myself. So, like I stated before, if there's something you want to see, go ahead and drop that in the comment section so I can, versatile my videos. I will say this quick weave style has got a lot of pics. I've done this like a couple of times back to back. As you can see, my last couple of videos really have been a half up, half down, with the bun or the ponytail or bangs in the front or something like that. The girlies have been going crazy for this style, and I will say it's cute. It's super cute. Okay. Just as a tip for all my hairstylists out there, when you are laying tracks, I take 1 pack of hair and I cut that pack of hair into 4 strips. I put glue on the entire strip and then I just cut on the head as I go. To me, it just makes it easier, so I'm not like, measuring the head, cutting the track, gluing that piece, then measuring the head, cutting the track, then gluing that piece. I just find it easier just to put glue on 1 strip of track, and then just lay it and cut it as I go. It makes it pretty fast. Honestly, I could lay tracks in about 20 minutes, a whole 2 packs, and it's great. Like, it's very time consuming. It's actually a time saver to do it that way. But yeah, just stay tuned for the rest of this video. The style came out super cute. And again, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go subscribe so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday at noon. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And yeah, I will see y'all again next week. Y'all know how we do, every Sunday at noon. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I will see you all next week.